Hello everyone. The global scale engineering lead, Marcus, stares at a frustratingly slow development timeline for their new predictive supply chain model. Despite their internal talent, they lack the specific, deep niche expertise required for real time edge processing. The internal team is stretched thin, and the build from scratch approach is causing massive delays. Marcus identifies the innovation gap, the delta between their ambitious roadmap and their current technical capacity. He realizes that they don't need to do everything in house. They need to leverage the Microsoft Partner Network to find specialized co innovation partners who have already solved these niche problems. This realization marks a shift in their strategy, moving from a do it yourself mentality to an ecosystem orchestrator model. They aren't just looking for vendors, they are looking for technical peers who can help them leapfrog the R&D phase and move straight to deployment. By tapping into the network, they hope to gain access to proprietary frameworks and domain-specific AI models that would take years to develop internally, effectively supercharging their innovation engine and keeping them ahead of market demands. The team defines their partner selection criteria, focusing on proven success in edge AI deployment and compatibility with their existing Azure infrastructure. They navigate the Microsoft Partner Portal, filtering for firms with specialized gold competencies in IoT and cloud architecture. After extensive technical interviews, they identify EdgeFlow Systems, a boutique consultancy with deep experience in exactly the kind of predictive modeling global scale needs. The process is rigorous, involving detailed assessments of the partner's technical debt, their track record with collaborative co-innovation, and their cultural fit with global scale's rapid response environment. They aren't looking for a passive service provider. They are looking for a true partner who will share the risks and the rewards of this venture. This careful vetting process ensures that they don't just find a firm that can deliver the code, but a firm that understands the business challenges and is as committed to the successful long-term outcome as global scale itself. The collaboration begins with a shared roadmap aligning goals from day one. Sarah and Marcus sit down with the EdgeFlow team to draft the co-innovation charter. This document goes beyond the standard statement of work or SOW by defining how the teams will collaborate on intellectual property (IP), joint development cycles, and real-time knowledge sharing. They map out the co-innovation work streams, ensuring that internal global scale engineers and external EdgeFlow consultants are working side by side in integrated squads. This structure is designed to break down the us versus them barrier that often plagues external engagements. They agree on unified tooling, using a shared GitHub environment and collaborative project management tools that give both sides visibility into progress, challenges, and architectural decisions. The goal is to build an environment where the partner's expertise becomes an extension of the internal team's capability. By formalizing this collaborative framework, they create a clear, transparent, and highly efficient structure that minimizes friction and maximizes the speed of the co-innovation project, ensuring that both companies are fully aligned on the technical and business objectives. The project kicks off with a 3-week integration sprint, where the EdgeFlow team embeds within the global scale office to learn their legacy code bases and integrate their edge AI models. This hands-on, high-intensity period is critical for establishing technical alignment. They run daily scrums, share code reviews, and hold technical deep dives to ensure that the co-innovation is truly happening at the architectural level. The friction of merging two different engineering cultures is real, but the unified tooling and clear shared KPIs keep the team focused on the ultimate goal, a working, high-performance predictive model. The sprint succeeds in creating a functional MVP, proving that the collaboration works and that the partner's expertise is indeed accelerating the development timeline. This successful integration phase builds trust and sets the stage for the full-scale project, confirming that their strategic decision to look outside for niche expertise was not only the right move, but the most effective way to address the technical challenges they were facing. As the project progresses, the team implements a partner management dashboard to track key indicators of co-innovation health, code quality, velocity of feature delivery, and the depth of knowledge transfer. They realize that a partner is only as good as the internal knowledge they leave behind. So they mandate mentorship hours where Edgeflow consultants train global scale engineers on the specific AI frameworks they've introduced. This ensures that when the partner eventually leaves, the internal team has the capability to maintain and evolve the solution. They hold quarterly reviews to assess whether the partner is still meeting their co-innovation goals or if the relationship needs to be adjusted. This proactive, lifecycle-based management style turns the partner engagement from a transactional service contract into a long-term strategic asset. By treating the partner as a critical part of their internal growth, Global Scale is building a sustainable, scalable model for rapid innovation that can be repeated for other high-priority, niche technical challenges. Global Scale formalizes their partner engagement playbook, creating a standardized, repeatable process for identifying, vetting, and managing niche co-innovation partners. They build an internal partner marketplace that allows different departments to see which firms have already been vetted and successfully used, reducing the time and effort required to kick off new collaborations. This institutionalization allows the company to scale its innovation efforts, enabling them to tackle multiple complex technical projects in parallel. As the company continues to grow, they refine the model, incorporating better mechanisms for IP protection and shared incentive structures. This approach transforms the organization into a hub and spoke innovation center, where Global Scale provides the vision, the resources, and the platform, while a network of specialized partners provides the specific high-end expertise that drives the competitive edge. The organization has become a master of collaborative innovation, proving that the smartest way to compete is to build a superior, integrated ecosystem of technical excellence.